Tech hiring is taking a hit. From India's IT companies to global tech giants, the trend is clearly changing. The top 5 Indian IT services companies saw their total headcount drop by 6,981 in the last financial year. That's a sharp decline from the previous year when headcount had increased by 12,718. And the outlook doesn't look very promising either. The drop was largely led by Tata Consultancy Services, which let go of more than 12,000 employees in July 2025. This was part of its effort to adapt to a changing technology landscape driven by AI. Overall, TCS saw its net headcount fall by 23,460. Tech Mahindra also reported a decline of 1,108 employees. Fresher hiring is also taking a hit. TCS has given a hiring target of 25,000 freshers for FY27, significantly lower than its usual intake of around 40,000. For TCS, this marks one of its slowest starts in fresher hiring. Meanwhile, Infosys is planning to hire 20,000 freshers this year, maintaining its target. Companies like Wipro and HCL Technologies have avoided stating clear hiring numbers. This is the second time in the last 4 years that hiring has slowed. Macroeconomic volatility and geopolitical tensions are causing uncertainty. Projects are taking longer to ramp up and companies are cutting back on costs. Experts believe the negative headcount trend may continue, with some firms quietly restructuring through exits and layoffs. But this shift is not limited to India. A similar trend is now visible globally, where IT companies are not just slowing hiring, but actively cutting jobs. Meta Platforms and Microsoft are planning job cuts and buyouts that could impact as many as 23,000 jobs. Meta has announced plans to cut 10% of its workforce starting May 20. That's roughly 8,000 employees. It has also decided not to fill 6,000 open roles. Meanwhile, Microsoft is offering voluntary buyouts to thousands of employees in the US. About 8,750 employees out of 125,000 could be eligible for this program. This is roughly 7% of its US workforce. Global big tech companies are looking to cut costs as they are investing heavily in data centers and AI infrastructure. Microsoft is building data centers worldwide, with recent investments in Japan and Australia. Meanwhile, Meta is projecting record capital expenditure and has announced multiple deals with AI partners in recent months. From slower hiring in India to layoffs in global tech, one thing is clear: the tech job market is changing rapidly due to a shift towards AI. And going forward, hiring will likely be more demand-driven and closely tied to how technology is evolving. Follow Business Standard for more such stories.